Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing a measured distance and positioning yourself so the path is unobstructed. Once done, secure the chronograph and make sure the stopwatch hand rests at 0. This prevents misreads. Start the watch the instant the object or person crosses your start marker. Do not hesitate, reaction time matters. Make sure the starter is ready and your finger is steady. This immediate action sets up an accurate tachymeter reading later, because the scale assumes a precise interval from start to stop. Once the run begins, watch carefully and stop the chronograph the instant the subject crosses the finish line. Accuracy here dictates the final result. Next, look at where the seconds hand points on the fixed tachymeter bezel. That number represents speed for the chosen base distance. For example, on a 1 km run, the bezel number gives km/h directly. If you used 100 m, multiply by 10. Make sure to note whether the scale assumes kilometers or miles, and adjust calculations accordingly. Stop and record the tachymeter value immediately, then convert units as necessary. For 1 km you get km/h, for 1 mile you get mph. Once recorded, reset the chronograph and repeat 2 or 3 times to average out human reaction. If results jump around, troubleshoot. Check that the distance markers are exact, that your stop timing is consistent, and that the chronograph hands return to 0. If the bezel or hand is sticky, service is required before trusting readings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.